Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, 6th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. If we see low risk opportunities, as you see from the 1-hour macro chart, the market started to go up during the Asian and London session and was very bullish. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see also after New York market opening, the price started to go up. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price come back and have a pullback, we take long positions repeatedly with setup C and T and take advantage of this strong uptrend. So stay tuned, and we're gonna update you with any trade that we're gonna take today. So we're back, and as you see, the price had a deeper pullback and we reached an area of point of control or support, and the buyers came back. So we're taking long position here with setup C. On Nasdaq, we took one long position, and also S&P 500, and we're waiting for more pullback to take long positions. And we have now one position on Nasdaq that was closed with profit. We need a deeper pullback in the lower area of the channel to enter, but because the bullish pressure is strong, we're just going to take one long position not to miss this trend, and then also set other limit orders to have a better price in case the pullback become complex and deeper. The ATM just closed this with profit. We're gonna take more pullback. There's still a lot of room till the resistance area. The buying pressure is strong and doesn't let a good pullback, so we may just enter some position. When we see a slight pullback in the middle area of the channel, we just enter one position here on Nasdaq that was closed quickly with profit. The strong bullish pressure prevents us to have a good entry. Since the price is reaching the previous level of resistance that got rejected, we may also take some sell short position at the resistance level with setup B. So we're down for all these bullish moves, and the price reached already the area of the resistance, so we're taking sell short position with setup B, which is a breakout failure or reversal. We're taking also another two positions here that we just closed for a quick scalp, and we're done for the day. So let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex trader funding accounts. And as you see, we reached profit factor of 5.81, which is coming from 84% win rate, 88 from the long positions taken mainly, and 75% from 4 sell short positions taken. The average win to loss ratio was close to 1. The largest winning trade was $395, and the largest losing trade was $164. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.